session will be led by President Jyoti Surendran, District Chairman Advocates Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan, Treasurer Leena Shashindran, Immediate Past President Shamala Gopakumar, Vice President Rajeshri Rajendran, Secretary Alina Matthew, and ISO Shakila Ramesh. Request the President to please call the meeting to order. Thanks to kindly move on. Please keep standing for the inner wheel prayer by Geeta Ramendra Menon.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our cultures and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Thank you, Geeta. Now I call upon President Jyoti Surendran to give the welcome as well as the presidential address.
Beloved District Chairman Advocate Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan, District Vice Chairman Asha Sunil, CJS Veda Vasudev, Treasurer Leena Shashindran, Immediate Past President Shamala Gopakumar, Vice President Rajeshri Rajendran, Secretary Alina Matthew, and ISO Shakila Ramesh. My dear friends in inner wheel and guests, District Chairman's visit is the most important day of the year for the club. It is also important for the chairman because it is the single day the chairman gets opportunity to interact with members of the club and assess the activities. It is my duty and pleasure to welcome all of you to this meeting. First of all, let me welcome our honorably the youngest, most vibrant and pretty district chairman, Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan. She is prompt and quick in action, work according to the schedule. She is with us today. I welcome you, Madam. I wish to make a special mention about the every well-planned course of the year. The session was motivating and energizing the officers. District Vice Chairman Asha Sunil and CGR Sweda Vasudev are very close to me and to many of our members. Given all timely advice and guidance to us, it is our privilege to have you here, Asha Sunil. I welcome you. CGR Sweda assured me that she will be here on this day. I formally welcome you to this meeting. Dear immediate past President Shamala, Vice President Rajasri, Secretary Alina, Treasurer Leena, and ISO Shakila. Members of the club are part of this meeting. I cordially welcome one and all to this function. I am sorry that on account of the pandemic, I could not insist presence of all members. We have invited the Palliative Care Society and the teacher from our adopted school to receive the article from us. I welcome you, Ponnan, Dr. Anu, Cicely, and teacher Shiny. At last, we have a very important guest, none other than the loving mother of our district chairman, Kamashi Vasudevan, who is a member of Interville Club, Palakkad East, since the last 20 years, and it is past president. I have great pleasure and I cordially welcome you to this function. Coming to my duty, presidential address. The details of projects done so far and those in the planning will be presented in the report of the Secretary. All the projects targeted this year are beneficial to a large population of underprivileged women and girls. It is to be specially mentioned here that classes conducted by our member Dr. Gracie Thomas at Government Girls HS School, Ernakulam, and ACS School, Halur, on adolescent problems was well accepted by students. Parents and teachers give round of big hand Kayyedi. The kitchen under construction is for an NGO working for empowerment of women. They give training, education, employment, food and protection to a good number of destitute women and girl children. At Torabur, a village in the Alapi district but close to our city. My confidence, energy and courage is the unity and the support of my esteemed members. We will be completing these projects by the end of my year. ദൈവം ഒരിക്കലും ദാരിദ്ര്യം സൃഷ്ടിക്കുന്നില്ല, നമ്മളാണ് അത് സൃഷ്ടിക്കുന്നത്. കാരണം നാം പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുന്നില്ല. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടാത്തത് നിങ്ങൾ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും കൊടുക്കുന്നെങ്കിൽ അത് ദാനമേ അല്ല. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വലിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല, പക്ഷേ ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ വലിയ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും. സൗന്ദര്യം മാഞ്ഞു പോകും, പക്ഷേ നല്ലൊരു ഹൃദയമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്നും സൗന്ദര്യമുള്ളവരായിരിക്കും. ഇത് ഓരോരുത്തരും മനസ്സിൽ സൂക്ഷിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, President Jyoti. That was one inspiring speech with all the right adjectives, I should say. Now, we're all anxious to hear what all has been happening in our club. So, to give a synopsis, I request Secretary Alina Matthew to give the Secretary's report.
Directors like Jyoti. Sorry, Innovate Club of Greater Cochin commenced for the year 2021-22, installing new office bearers led by Jyoti Surendran as the 32nd President on 22nd July at 4 p.m. The meeting was held at Hyson Hall, Cochin, in compliance with COVID protocol, restricting members less than 20, physical, PDCs, secretaries, presidents of sister club members, rest of our club members and guests attended the meeting through Zoom. PDC Padmaja S. Menon was the chief guest of the day. Greater Cochin President Rotarian Billy Menon also attended the function. We honored COVID warriors, a Dr. Danya Gobina, who is working in General Hospital, Kochi. We also honored our own club member, Dr. Gracie Thomas. Dr. Danya spoke about her experience in the COVID ward. We did 5 projects on our installation day. We recognized a humanitarian service rendered in cremation and sanitation for COVID cases, Ms. Tripti Jain, and was given a memento and ₹5,000 from the club. Anamika, a 3rd standard student of St. Vincent's LP School, Pallika Chattanad, was given a smartphone for her studies worth ₹6,000. Bhuvaneshwari and Sweta, 2 blind students, were given ₹8,000 and ₹4,000 respectively towards their education, contributed by Rajashri Rajendran and Jyoti Surendran. ₹10,000 contributed by a member, Maya Jairaj, given as assistance for Hope World Old Age Home, Kunnumbura. Financial support to Azizi Special School, Uchakal, ₹40,000 contributed by a club member, Minnie George. On August 4th, 2021, as breastfeeding awareness program, our club attended at EMC Hospital, a program where doctors of the hospital talked about the importance of breastfeeding, and they explained to the patients about how to breastfeed, the position of the baby and the mother. We 3 members of the club attended, including the president and secretary. On the 6th of August, we conducted a breastfeeding awareness program at Ernakulam General Hospital, and we donated worth ₹3,623 for baby diapers, bath towels, Horlicks, etc. Our President Jyoti Surendran, Secretary Alina Matthew, Editor Dr. Gracie Thomas, and our Community Service Representative Geeta Ramendran attended the function. Dr. Gracie Thomas spoke about the importance of breastfeeding to the 40 mothers present there. On the 9th of August, we supplied medicines for inmates of Kottalinga House and Old Age Home. We partnered it with the Rotary Club of Greater Cochin. Our President Jyoti Surendran participated in 75th Independence Day celebration at ACS Higher Secondary School, Kalur. After the flag hoisting, she addressed the management, teachers, parents and students and gave an Independence Day message. On behalf of our club to conduct classes, Dr. Gracie Thomas spoke on the topic of adolescent problems like drug, smoking and cybercrimes at KMEA College, Kakanadu, GHS School, Ernakulam and Ayappankavu Girls School on July 1st, 14th of August, 25th of September and 5th of October. Our club sponsored assistance for construction of a house to a homeless family, Nissan Corporation Waste Collector, flooring tiles worth ₹23,000 given by a club member, Hairo Sakare. On the 13th of August, we provided food at Karinalayam where they take care 130 destitutes. Many of them are mentally challenged. We spent ₹15,000 by our club members. The food was catered by Theruvara Murugan's wife, who runs a charitable organization. On the 5th of September, Teachers' Day, we honored a teacher, Jayashree Rajagopal, a retired teacher for 20 years, and she was our club member. We gave a panada and a memento. On the 25th of September, we provided food at Home of Faith, where they take care
physically challenged children worth rupees 4,100. We had our Onam celebration at Nihara Resort and Spa, followed by all COVID protocol. Members performed Tiruvadira and Onam songs. The program was choreographed by and executed by Simi Sakriya and Annie Verghese. On the 9th of October, World Palliative Day, we have given wheelchairs, oxygen cylinder and other hospital materials to the palliative care unit attached to Government Maharaja Taluk Hospital, Karivelipadi, Kochi, worth rupees 35,000. That concludes my project report. Thank you for your patience. Once again, thank you all.
Everyone, we please move back to the dais and we can move on to our projects. Can the superintendent, Dr. Cicely, please come forward? We have already given 2 wheelchairs already, and this is the third one. A big round of applause for this huge initiative. Thank you so much. One more applause. Thank you so much. And our club has sponsored 5 fans worth rupees 6,685 to our adopted school, EJB School, Udayam Perur. One of the fans is donated by our President Jyoti Surendran. I request Shiny teacher of EJB School to please come forward and collect it from our district chairman. Our club editor, Dr. Gracie Thomas, President of Cochin Gynec Society, had sponsored rupees 1,32,288 for the repair of ambulance of the same hospital. Request Dr. Meenu, Superintendent of the hospital, to come forward and collect the check from Gracie as well as our district chairman. Yes, please keep supporting all our members, just like this. Now we come to the induction of our new member. First, we'll do the introductions. I request Simi Sakriya to introduce our new member, Suja Jitendran.
Good afternoon. Hi everyone. This is Suja Jitendra. She was born and brought up in Kota, Rajasthan.
Suja, can you please come forward? We need to see you also, so that you know.
This is Suja Jitendra. After completing her degree, she got married to Mr. Jitendra Nambiar and had spent 35 years in Dubai and now settled in Kochi. She is a certified yoga teacher and planning to open a boutique very soon. Her only daughter, Rashmi, with her husband Salman, is settled in Dubai. Now I present Mrs. Suja Jitendra before you. Suja, welcome to the Club of Innovative Education. Thank you.
I request District Chairman Advocate Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan to.
Greetings to all. I'm very happy to induct a new member to the Innovative Club of Greater Cochin. And Ms. Suja, there's a small formality that we have before formally inducting you. There are no rights without corresponding obligations. Your right to become a member of this club is an exclusive one. We are sure that you will welcome the responsibilities of friendship and service that membership brings with it, and hope that you are among friends and enjoy participating in all aspects of the club. Mrs. Suja, on behalf of the members of Innovative Club of Greater Cochin, I welcome you and I introduce this new member to all of you.
district chairman, Advocate Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan, is a very able, prominent figure, and actually she does not need an introduction. I think so. But there might be some things that we might not know about her. So who else is a better person to introduce our district chairman other than CGR Shweta Vasudev? And please come and introduce our district chairman.
Good afternoon. Innovate dignitaries, friends. It's my honor today to formally introduce our district chairman, Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan, to this audience. Alamelu, also known as Dhanya, hails from Palakkad. She comes from a family of illustrious Rotarians and Innovate members, and service runs in her blood. Being guided and advised from an early age by both sets of grandparents molded her into the leader she is today. Her father, Rotarian K.V. Vasudevan, a practicing chartered accountant, is a Rotarian of the Rotary Club of Palakkad East for over 24 years and has served up to the post of District Treasurer in 2006-2007. Where Innovate is concerned, her maternal grandmother, Mrs. Meena Ramachandran, was a District Treasurer in 1976-77 and District Vice Chairman in 1985-86 of our district. Alamelu's mother, Kamakshi Vasudevan, is a senior member and past president of the Innovate Club of Palakkad East, which is also Alamelu's home club. Her mother is here with us today, and it's a pleasure to have her company. Growing up in Rotary and Innovate as she has, it was inevitable that Alamelu too would walk the same path in time. She joined the Innovate Club of Palakkad East in 2010, and after serving all other posts in the club, became president in 2015-16. She joined the district EC in 2017-18 as district editor and served each consecutive year in the post of district treasurer, district secretary and district vice chairman before adorning the mantle of district chairman for the year 2021-22. She has always been a hardworking and bright from early year student to now. Having studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 in Palakkad, she was a school topper in the English language, CBSE grade 12 exam. She graduated in law from Government Law College, Thrissur. She stood first at the college level and second at the University of Calicut level. I am not going into detail about her extracurricular activities due to paucity of time, but rest assured they were plentiful and she excelled at them as well. We all have recently had the pleasure of hearing her sing. You must have seen the video. Music has always been an integral part of her life, and she has performed both classical and light music at various events. Alamelu is also a language enthusiast and has successfully completed all 5 levels of the Sanskrit language course. She has many accolades to her name, whether it is in learning about current affairs, culinary courses, or gardening. She is married to Dr. Sivaramakrishnan, a dental surgeon, who is a pillar of strength and supports her in her journey of life. They have a son, Darshan, who incidentally is keenly interested in his mother's activities in Innovate and also likes plentiful extracurricular activities. Alamelu is currently practicing taxation law with her father, and she is also a faculty for law at the Palakkad branch of Chartered Accountants of India. We have just concluded the beautiful festival of Navaratri, and I must confess that I find certain traits of the goddesses that we celebrate in our chairman. She is multi-talented, a multitasker, and is blessed with fine talents, backed by a willingness to do hard work. Though unlike the goddesses that we worship, she is earthbound. She is humble, accessible, and approachable. And with these few words, I present before you our district chairman, Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan.
Thank you, CGR Shweta Vasudev, for the inspiring introduction about our intellectual goddess, should I say, District Chairman Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan. Rotary actually that runs in your blood, right? And it comes in the family also. So we are all waiting to hear from you, madam. Yes, may I formally invite our District Chairman Advocate Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. President Mrs. Jyoti Surendran, Vice Chairman Asha Sunil, CGR Shweta, Secretary Alina and all the members of the club executive committee. I miss PDC Ninu Roger from your club. It would have been nice if I could meet her. It is nice that you have one PDC in your club. And all the members of Innovate Club of Greater Cochin, the beneficiaries who are attending here. Very, very warm good afternoon to all of you. I have to confess, after taking charge since the last 3-4 months, I am humbled by the love and affection that is showered by each and every member of the district, especially presidents who are elder than me. Like Jyoti auntie, we have a Nirmala auntie, many other who I call auntie because they are all much elder to me, and I am happy and very, very humble with the warmth that you are giving. And thank you for the warm welcome that you give. And right from the time that I planned the trip here, she has been constantly checking on how I am going to come, who is accompanying you. Thank you so much. We started with a beautiful EC meeting that was beautifully, it went without any hiccups. I have to say, being one of the clubs who have crossed 30 years, it shows in your work too. All the records are well maintained. President's files, secretary's reports, treasurer's accounts, ISO, editor, everybody is doing your job very well. So there is nothing. Small suggestions that I felt would make it better. I just said to you, congratulations team Innovate Greater Cochin. You are doing an excellent job. All the best for your future endeavors too, this year and years to come. What I liked about this year and the earlier year is that we have widened our horizons. Maybe 10 years ago, our projects were educational aid, financial aid, medical assistance like that, toilet construction. Now with increasing problems around us, you have all widened your ambit. Cyber laws you are taking class, menstrual hygiene, anemia detection centers, you have opened up and reaching nook and corner of the society where the need is arising. I think that is one of the very, very important aspects of your club. And I can see the report was very clear. Also, I noted some of your works like you have given 90s to old age home, classes on menstrual hygiene, visited old age home, everything according to the need of the hour. So your projects have also been very, very good. Do keep up the good work. Some of the projects that are being done by the club makes us emotional. I don't know how many of you saw 2 days back, Coimbatore North provided walking support to 9 children, small children who have problems of cerebral palsy and who are not able to walk. They had underwent corrective surgery and now these children are able to walk because of Coimbatore North support. It gives us goosebumps thinking of those things. Like at Cochin 2 days back, they tied their eyes and tried to see how it feels to be not having vision and help the people who are not having vision. I don't know where you get these ideas. It makes me emotional because we are that privileged class, fortunately, who are able to live the life that we need. But there are many who are not able to live the way they want to, and the support from us is only making them do. So congratulations to all of you for the good work that we are doing. Do continue the same. And one thing that we have to remember is Innovale is friendship and service. Service part, everything is being taken care of, all are doing very well. And together we have to maintain friendship also, because ultimately the crux of our organization is teamwork. Someone asked Mahatma Gandhi, I read somewhere, what is a leader or what is an organization? He said, when a leader or an organizer remembers that not only the winners are important, but participants are also important, that is a good organization. Not only the person who is in the top is always going to be the leader, but we have to remember that there were people who were with us. Then only it is a good organization. So we have to remember that each one of us have a value. It is not one person because of which a club is running. Each of us have a value, and if we accept that, then it is going to be perfect harmony. One person in some faraway country, he won the award for the best corn seller, corn grains. Repeatedly, every 2-3 years, he was only winning. So one newspaper reporter went and asked him, how are you winning it every time? So he said, I give my harvest, those corns, to my neighbors also. Then that person asked, why are you sharing it with others? He said, if a wind comes, pollens from the other gardens will sit on my my cons also. So theirs have also to be good, mine also has to be good. If mine only is good, I cannot grow in life. Everybody around me has also to be good, then only those good cons will come to mine. So this is what happens to us also. Let us not think about our evolution alone. Together we have to empower people around, then only we all can grow together. So never forget that teamwork is everything. We may be able to do small things alone, but when we put in all our inputs to one common pool, then the results are, we can see it ourselves. So let us not forget that we are all bound by the principles of friendship and service, and when these two join only, there will be perfect harmony. And moreover, I am happy that we are all emphasizing on Pink First. This year's theme is Pink First, Empowering Women. Earlier we used to concentrate on only giving educational aid to girl child, something like that. But now everybody has understood that it is not enough to just educate a woman. We have to pull her up and place her in such a position that she is able to stand on her own feet. This year many clubs have done a wonderful job. The Jaroka project of Cochin and Silai project of Coimbatore West. Coimbatore East gave 5 sewing machines to women for their livelihood. So Pink First do concentrate on that, because how much we can help other women, no one else can do. Women helping women is going to be our thing, because we are all coming from different backgrounds, but we have a common problem that we are fighting day to day within ourselves to come out and reach a position in the society. So if we don't help other women, they cannot grow. So please concentrate on projects. It's not like don't do other things. What I mean is that wherever possible, let us try to lift other women so that we all can grow together. Though we are emphasizing on women, we see that other problems are also there. So together, this year and for the next 3 years, Strong Women, Stronger World is our theme. So let us continue doing for women along the side and try to bring more women to the forefront. So this is what is regarding the project's part. And now some district things that are coming up. We have a South Zone meet at Chennai, and I'm very happy that 4 members from your club has registered. Only 18 we could go this time. Otherwise we could have taken a big contingent of 50 members, but now 18 of us are going. So do hope that we all enjoy and have a nice time there. I think we'll be missing Jyoti Aunty. The next event is February 11, 12, 13 at Varanasi, the Triennial. I think by that time COVID will also open up a bit more. Do try to register. It is an excellent event, and I may not tell about Varanasi. You all know that it's a beautiful place to see. So if possible, do try to register. Then February 26, 27, we have the district conference at Pollachi. Then I'm sure everybody can attend, at least 5 to 10 members from your club. It will be nice to see. So please keep in mind all that. I've heard that you are sending for grant and all. Club work is going on very well. Nothing more from my side. All the best for the rest of the year. Asha, you are carrying the show very well. Gauri Sharat, you are carrying the show very well. Congratulations. And wish you all the best. And thank you for the long session.
Thank you, ma'am, for the inspiring, empowering speech, and we all know that it came from your heart. We are also actually glad that you are with us, and we would like to give a small memento as from club as a token of our appreciation.
Actually, that is not needed. I say everywhere.
Please, next time we won't give.
It's okay. Maybe next time, we'll be getting card. No, this.
Not to you, but to anybody else, it's okay. Okay, we will disregard this gift, and we would. Yes, and we would like you to share the happiness by cutting a cake at least. That would be nice. Yes, and share the happiness.
Once again, good afternoon to all. I thank our club president, Jyoti Sureswaran, district chairman, Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan, District Vice Chairman Asha Sunil, CGS Sweta Vasudev, our District Chairman's mother, Past President Kamakshi Vasudevan, and my Innovate Club members and guests. Thank you all of you. I also take this opportunity to thank those who sent us wishes for this program. My sincere thanks goes to our vibrant MC, Gauri Sharan. I thank our photographer, Mr. Mohan, and his team. Our gratitude goes to Park Central Hotel, management and its staff who provided us this facility and food. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you, Alina. Now please rise for the national anthem. जनगणमन जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Please adjourn the meeting for lunch.
Adjourned for lunch and chatting. Meeting is dispersed for lunch and chatting.